hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Redmi Y1 and the Infinix Hot S3. Infinix Hot S3 sports a Snapdragon 430 processor with Adreno 505 GPU and it's priced at 9,000 rupees for the base variant that comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage. By the way, that's the variant we have right now. Redmi Y1 sports a Snapdragon 435 processor with the same Adreno 505 GPU. It too comes in two variants and base variant starts at 9,000 rupees for 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage, and that's the one we have right now. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 16 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones have been connected to the same Wi-Fi network, all the apps have been updated to the latest version and both the phones are running the latest version of operating system. Both the phones come with a heavily skinned version of Android. On Redmi Y1 it is MIUI 9 and on Infinix it is XOS. Both the phones are very well optimized, so let's see which one is faster. So guys, Redmi Y1 was 5 seconds faster than Infinix Hot S3. That's not a huge number, so let's see where that difference came from in the next regular speed test. In this regular speed test, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So guys, in the speed test, it's a tie. Sometimes Infinix was faster and sometimes Redmi was faster. Most of the time, the difference was just few milliseconds. So in the speed test, it's a tie. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. I have the 3GB RAM variant of both the phones, and 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory. By the way, I have disabled MIUI optimization and memory optimization from developer options on Redmi Y1 to improve memory management. Unfortunately, we don't have any such feature or option on the Infinix Hot S3. In the memory management round, Redmi Y1 is the winner. Memory management is really good. On Infinix, it is really bad. It was barely able to keep 5 apps in memory. So in terms of performance, Redmi Y1 is better than Infinix Hot S3. But with the S3, you're getting a lot more other stuff like a bigger battery, bigger display and a better front-facing camera. So considering all that, if performance is not an issue for you, you can go for the Infinix Hot S3. So guys, looking at this video, what's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.